Railways are known to be the lifeline of the nation, thanks to the huge number of people it transports on a daily basis. For India, this is no exception. As we all might have travelled in a train at some point of our life. If Indian Railways is so important to India, then there must be something great about it. Keep watching to know more. Third largest railway network. Indian Railways is one of the largest railway networks in the world, along with the number of people employed in it. Railway mascot. This is the railway mascot of the Indian Railways. Bholu, the elephant, was designed by National Institute of Design and revealed in 2002. Purachi Thalaivar Dr. M.G. Ramchandran Central Railway Station. Located in Chennai, this is the world's second longest name and India's longest name for a railway station. It is named after Dr. MGR, the former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, and it is one letter short from grabbing the first place. World's highest railway bridge. The world's highest railway bridge is being constructed over the Chenab River in Jammu and Kashmir. UNESCO World Heritage Sites. There are two World Heritage Sites in Indian Railways: Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, Mumbai, and the Mountain Railways, which consists of three routes, namely Nilgiri Mountain Railway, Darjeeling Mountain Railway, and Kalka-Shimla Railway. Luxury trains. Indian Railways runs luxurious trains such as Maharaja Express, Deccan Odyssey, Palace on Wheels, and Golden Chariot. Travelling in these trains is like travelling in a 5-star hotel on wheels. Konkan Railway Line. Sandwiched between Arabian Sea and Western Ghats, the Konkan Railway Line is one of the most scenic train routes in India. Wow! Isn't it amazing? The Indian Railways is something beyond a mode of transport. It is rightly said that it is the lifeline of the country. Do you know any other interesting facts about the Indian Railways? Let us know in the comment section below. Happy learning!